Hey there YouTube. I just wanted to have a little chat on this, the first anniversary of me relaunching this YouTube channel. And I want to talk about why. Why am I doing it? And why are you here, watching, listening? I've been messing around on computers for what feels like my entire life. I was 8 when I got my first computer. I'm 46 now. And all this time I've been learning and teaching. Sometimes in formal sort of ways, often in really informal sorts of ways. But this chat here, to me feels like the best way that I can teach people at the moment. And that's why I started my recent videos calling you future techies. Because that's what I really want. I want people to feel comfortable enough in their technology that you can be the techie person for yourself, for your family, whoever it may be. I love the feeling of being able to help people who are stuck with a problem. It's what gets me up in the morning. It's what I really enjoy. It's what I'm passionate about. And so that's why I'm here. And that's why I hope you're here. I don't want to frighten anyone away. There's no skills you need. You know, I'm good at maths and problem solving, and those sort of things help. I think logically about a problem, whatever that problem might be. But they're all skills, and I'm here to help you learn a whole bunch of skills to make you a better logical thinker and solve some of the problems that you have. That's my goal. I also want to grow this channel. I want to grow it for a couple of reasons. I want to grow it to learn how to grow a channel on YouTube, which might be something I teach later, once I've done it. I'd also love it to be somewhat of a financial success. You know, I spend a fair amount of time and a little bit of money to make this happen. And yeah, I'd like to recoup some of that money and maybe make some more of it back. I'm not really here to make millions. I don't really think that's what's going to do it for me. I want to teach, but I also would love to get something back for that teaching. So I don't think I'll go for, a birthday cake and candles for the 1-year anniversary of this channel. As suits somebody my age, maybe I'll just get a little contemplative. And that's why I'm sitting back here and having this chat with you. And please, I'd love to hear your response. I'd love this to be a two-way conversation. What do you think? What do you think of my channel? Is it helping you at all? Is it worth sharing with your friends? Do you want to be that person who solves their own technical problems and maybe solves them for a few other people as well? Or am I the only one who thinks like that? Whatever you think. Here's cheers to another year coming up. I guess I should put the end screen on this just to finish it off. If you haven't already subscribed, you can do that by clicking down here. Or you can go up here and join us in the Facebook group and maybe ask some questions or just have a chat and say g'day. Failing that, there's some more videos here and here that you might want to have a look at. Anyway, thanks for watching and have an awesome day.